Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to draw a traverse roll in AutoCAD Inventor. Let me warn you, I am just new into AutoCAD Inventor. It just has to be, I was working on AutoCAD for 2 weeks, so that I don't have much experience. Then I begin to drawing, you'll understand that I am making some major mistakes, but eventually I am going to get this drawing. Initially, it seems to me this was beyond my skill level, but watching a couple of YouTube videos about AutoCAD Inventor give me some ideas, and I play with it, and I end up getting this image. Now I am going to show you how can you draw same thing by using AutoCAD Inventor. First we are going to create a new part. I am using metric system and using millimeter. Let's say create. Now, first thing that we are going to do, let's make this origin visible. We are going to create 2 sketches, one for the grooves, the other one for the body. Let's start with a difficult one, which is the grooves sketch. I say create new sketch. It will be in this phase. Now, first we are going to draw an arbitrary rectangle somewhere around here. Dimensions and location is not important. Say OK. Now, since we draw this rectangle, now let's fix its location with respect to axis. Okay, we are going to use dimension constraints. From this point to that point, it will be 25 millimeters, and from this point to that point, it will be 18 millimeters. Let's adjust the location again. That's good. Now let's set the size of this rectangle. This distance will be 6 millimeter, and this will be 8 millimeter. Size is set. Since our groove will be in V shape, we have to convert this rectangular to a V shape. Let's do this by using a line operator. From this point there, we are going to draw a line. Another one from here to there, we are going to draw. Let's say OK. Now let's remove this. Delete. OK. Now by using trim tool, we are going to get excess unwanted lines from our image or sketch. Now most of them is almost gone. Okay, now we have to also set distances by using the dimension constraint. From here to there, width will be 2 millimeters, and similarly from here to there, it will be 2 millimeters. Okay, we finish our dimensions, and let's delete this one. We finish our first sketch for groove. Said we finished the 2D sketch. Now we are going to create another sketch for body. Create 2D sketch. It will be in this surface, and it's going to be a circle located at the center. We locate it. We put it in the center. This distance will be, I'm sorry, Just a minute. Just a minute. Circle. Why is highlighting? D. Okay. This will be 36. Okay. Now we finished that one. Let's say finish to the sketch. Adjust everything. Sketch is finished. Groove is ready. Now let's do extrusion of the body. Extrude. Did I say that? Okay. Extrude this one in the opposite direction, and this will be 32 millimeter long. And let's go to this face. Say adjust this face. Now as you see, the half of the groove is extending outward. I did this one deliberately so that we know where the groove's location is. If I did the exact size, it will be inside this cylindrical object, and it would be hard to locate it. Now by using coil operator, we can make cut on this cylinder. Let's use coil operator. As you see, it highlighted our groove cut location. Since we are going to use cut, we are going to select cut operation. For axis, we are going to use y-axis, and pitch of coil will be 25. And okay, everything is ready. Now we can say the cut. We made the cut. Now we are going to make it. This is like double helix. The other one is going in other direction. We have to do that cut too. But to do that, we should have another sketch. Therefore, I am going to say, come here, create another sketch, create to this sketch, highlight this one, and say finish the sketch. Now we have groove profile sketch for second groove. Now we use coil operator. Everything is same. Everything is same, except that it will be in opposite direction. In the axis is the same. Now, is this opposite or that? I don't know. We'll do a try. Let's first try this this one. Okay. I hope it will work. If it not, we'll go the other one. We forgot some major thing. Go back. Say coil operation. We use cut. Axis will be Y, and this will be that. Hopefully it wasn't that. Cancel. We are going to select again this one. I'm sorry, coil operator. Axis will be Y, and it will be cut operation. Okay, now we finished the second cut, but this is half of the traverse roll. We have to do the other half by using mirror. Here is the mirror operator. We are going to do this. Select that, this one, Mirror face. I don't know why it's doing this one sometime. Mirror plane. Okay. Now we finished the part. Let's rotate it and bring it to center. By using fillet operator, we can give curvature to these corners. Let's make it default values, this one and that one. Say OK. Now we are going to change the color to gold, which is a color that I like. Gold. Let's say assign to. Here is it. Now let's rotate it. As you can see, grooves. If you put some cam pin in here, begin to rotate, cam will go this way and it will turn back, come that way. That's how a traverse roller works. And if you have a fishing reel, when you look at the bottom of some fishing reel, you can see this cam mechanism, which has in here we have two coils, but in actual fishing reel there's almost 20 or 30 pitches. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.